Thank you. Yes, I'm excited too. You know those times when you're dying to show something? Today is one of those days for me. Every once in a while, an office product comes along that changes everything. A product so powerful, so ahead of its time, and yet so familiar, intuitive, and appealing. It's a wonder we didn't see it the whole time. Introducing for 2025, the LivingPlant. That's right, everyone. It's not a fake plant or an eye plant. It's a living plant for the workspace of the future. Remember smart technology? Yeah, this is way beyond that. This tech is live. It's living technology that transforms your previously lifeless office space into a vibrant, beautiful, productive environment. Of course, the first feature you'll notice, no cords, no plugs. Revolutionary mobile wireless technology, which means no charging, no batteries. Efficient, eco-friendly, solar and hydro-powered technology. Feel that. Patented touch-sensitive interface. Swipe left, swipe right. You know the LivingPlant is alive, operating passively in the background 24/7 to supercharge your office space with living energy. Extraordinary. The LivingPlant human system works so well, so effectively, it's almost as if Mother Nature designed it that way, as if we were meant to be around living plants all the time. Just imagine. The research is in, the results conclusive. Rediscover the future today with a living plant.